Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I did this marble effect on an old vase pottery piece I made back in high school. If you want to learn how to do so yourself or you just want to see the process, then just keep on watching. So you're going to need a bowl of water and some paintbrushes and any paint of your choice. I chose white as my base. So start painting the vase, bowl, pottery piece, whatever. You can do about 2 to 3 coats. I did 3 and I let it dry about 20 minutes in between. And I definitely should have waited longer, but I mean, whatever. I did clean the vase before doing so anything you see on it won't come off. It's there for good. I did 3 coats on the bottom and I let that dry for about an hour. Again, I probably should have waited a little longer, but it's me. For the marbleizing, is that a word? Marbleizing process, you're gonna need a bowl of water and some paint. I use black spray paint and green nail polish. Disclaimer, not all paint or nail polishes will work. It's a matter of trial and error, and you basically have to figure it out by pouring a bunch of paint into water. That is all. So you're going to pour your nail polishes and paint and make sure they're the way you like them. If you want a certain pattern, use the end of a paintbrush to move the paint around like so. Now grab your vase and just dip it in. There were some sparse areas that I didn't mind at first. I was gonna leave it like that, but then like 2 minutes later I was like, nope. So I did the same steps I did before and I just dipped it again. This is such a fun idea to do with your kids, your friends, significant others, or even complete strangers. So marbleize at your own risk, and thank you for watching.